Hi Teeners, welcome back again di Titik Kenal YouTube channel. How are you guys? I hope you are doing fine. So, in this video, we're gonna talk about 15 question of daily activities. Siapa nih yang memiliki spesifikasi dalam kegiatan sehari-harinya? Nah, di sini ada beberapa 15 pertanyaan yang bisa kita tanyakan kepada teman-teman kita semua tentang kegiatan sehari-harinya. Apa aja itu? Jangan lupa untuk selalu simak video kita sampai habis. Tapi jangan lupa juga untuk subscribe, like, dan komen ya. Langsung aja, di sini pertanyaan yang pertama bisa kita bilang, what time do you usually go to bed at night? What time do you usually go to bed at night? Jam berapa biasanya kamu tidur malam? What time do you usually go to bed at night? Jam berapa biasanya kamu tidur malam? I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock. Aku biasanya tidur jam 10 malam. Yang kedua, what time do you usually get up in the morning? What time do you usually get up in the morning? Jam berapa biasanya kamu bangun pagi? What time do you usually get up in the morning? I usually get up in the morning at 7 o'clock. Aku biasanya bangun pagi jam 7. Selanjutnya, what do you often have for breakfast? What do you often have for breakfast? Apa yang sering kamu makan saat sarapan? What do you often have for breakfast? Apa yang sering kamu makan saat sarapan? Atau biasanya kamu sarapan makan apa sih? What do you often have for breakfast? I often have breakfast with fried rice or maybe just a glass of milk. Aku biasanya sarapan kalau nggak pakai nasi goreng ya biasanya sama segelas susu. Ada juga, what time do you usually go to school or work? What time do you usually go to school or work? Jam berapa biasanya kamu pergi ke sekolah atau bekerja? Kalian bisa pilih salah satu ya. Bisa bilang school atau work. What time do you usually go to school atau what time do you usually go to work? I usually go to school at 8 o'clock atau I usually go to work at 9 o'clock. Aku biasanya berangkat sekolah jam 8 atau aku biasanya berangkat bekerja jam 9. Selanjutnya, what do you usually have for lunch? What do you usually have for lunch? Apa yang biasa kamu makan saat siang? Atau sebenarnya kamu makan siang apa sih biasanya? Jadi kalau tadi breakfast untuk sarapan, di sini ada lunch untuk makan siang. What do you usually have for lunch? I usually have a salad for lunch because I like salad very much. Aku biasanya makan salad buat makan siang karena aku sangat suka salad. Selanjutnya ada, where do you usually have lunch? Where do you usually have lunch? Di mana kamu biasanya makan siang? Where do you usually have lunch? I usually have lunch in a restaurant. Aku biasanya makan siang di restoran. Atau, I usually have lunch in a canteen. Aku biasanya makan siang di kantin. Selanjutnya, what time do you usually get home from school or work? What time do you usually get home from school or work? Jam berapa biasanya kamu pulang ke rumah dari sekolah atau bekerja? Nah, di sini kita juga bisa pilih salah satu, mau school atau work. What time do you usually get home from school? I usually get home from school at 2 p.m. Atau I usually get home from work at 5 p.m. Aku biasanya pulang sekolah dari sekolah jam 2 siang atau aku biasanya pulang dari pekerjaan jam 5 sore. What is your favorite TV show? What is your favorite TV show? Apa acara TV favoritmu? What is your favorite TV show? My favorite TV show is cartoon. Jadi, acara TV favoritku adalah kartun. Selanjutnya, how many hours are you online every day? How many hours are you online every day? Berapa jam kamu online setiap hari? Atau berapa lama kamu online setiap hari? I spend for online for about 3 hours. I spend for online for about 4 hours. Aku menghabiskan untuk online sekitar 4 jam. Selanjutnya, tell me about your friends. How often do you meet her or him? Tell me about your friends. How often do you meet her or him? Ceritakan tentang temanmu, seberapa sering kalian bertemu dia. Di sini kita bisa menggunakan her kalau teman kita adalah perempuan, dan kita bisa menggunakan him ketika teman kita adalah laki-laki. How often do you meet her? Atau how often do you meet him? I usually meet her on Sunday, or I usually meet him twice a week. Aku biasanya bertemu dia pada hari Minggu, atau aku biasanya bertemu dia setiap 2 kali seminggu. Selanjutnya, what is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? Apa pelajaran favoritmu? What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is mathematics. My favorite subject is mathematics. Mata pelajaran favoritku adalah matematika. Ya, bagi kalian yang suka matematika, kalian bisa jawab matematika, atau bagi kalian yang tidak suka matematika, kalian bisa bilang I don't like mathematics subject. I don't like mathematics subject. Selanjutnya, can you tell me about your daily activities? Can you tell me about your daily activities? Bisa ceritakan tentang kegiatan sehari-harimu? Can you tell me about your daily activities? Yes, I can. I will tell you my daily activities. Yes, I can itu adalah jawaban dari can you tell me about your daily activities. Selanjutnya, how often do you study English? How often do you study English? Seberapa sering kamu belajar bahasa Inggris? How often do you study English? I study English every day. Aku belajar bahasa Inggris setiap hari. That's great. How about you? Selanjutnya, what time do you usually do your homework? What time do you usually do your homework? Jam berapa kamu biasanya mengerjakan PR? What time do you usually do your homework? I usually do my homework at 9 o'clock before sleeping. Aku biasanya mengerjakan PR-ku jam 9 malam sebelum tidur. Nah, yang terakhir ada what's your favorite activities? What's your favorite activities? Apa aktivitas harian favoritmu? What's your favorite activities? My favorite activities is watching movie. How about you? So, aktivitas favoritku adalah menonton film. Bagaimana denganmu? So, ini adalah 15 pertanyaan yang bisa kita gunakan ketika kita ingin mempertanyakan tentang kegiatan sehari-hari kepada teman kita. So, don't forget untuk digunakan dalam percakapan sehari-hari kalian ya, agar bahasa Inggris kalian bisa semakin jago. Oke? And thank you for watching my videos, and don't forget to see you in next week. So, bye-bye!